Classic KC daylighter 6 black powder-coated steel housing. 100 watt H3 halogen bulb, replaceable 200,000 Candlepower. Spot. Pencil, beam pattern for maximum forward distance, high-speed visibility. System includes complete relay wiring harness, switch kit, and plastic light covers. Designed and assembled in the USA. KC HiLiTES 238-day lighter black 100W spot beam light system includes 2 fully assembled lights, complete wiring harness with relay and illuminated switch and 2 protective light covers. This lighting system is intended for maximum forward distance and/or high-speed visibility and is backed by KC's 23-year compliant. No. Top reviews from the United States. A great retro look. I love how the KC daylighters look on my roof rack. I went into the purhcase knowing that I would not be a fan of the provided on/off switch, so I purchased an aftermarket switch that fits directly in the OEM blank switch space to make it look factory. I prefer either the KC Rock Guard and the KC Clear Rock Shields to the provided Smile Happy Faces guards, so I purchased the Clear Rock Shields to protect my lights from road debris. Now I do not need to remove anything when I want to use them.